Sheet references in Excel. Then we will see how to use cell reference when the data used for calculation is present in different sheet. That is how to refer to a cell present in another sheet. As of now, we know how to use cell address for calculation when the data is present in same sheet. See here, if there is data present in same sheet, that means say in E5 there is some value and in E6 we are having some value. So we want to add these two value, that is we want to add the cell address, that is E5 and E6. We are using this equals, that is cell address E5 plus cell address E6. So this is how we will refer to cell when the data is present in same sheet. So there is a straightforward method. So now we will see how to do the calculation when data is present in different sheet. So for this, you see we have taken some sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and there is total sales. That means in first sheet we are having product name and the total sales done in January. So in sheet 2 there is product name and say total sales done in the month of February. Sheet 3 product name and sales done in the month of March. So now we want to find the total in this final sheet, that is total sales. So how to do that? So we want to take from C2, that is from sheet 1, C2 from sheet 2 and C2 from sheet 3. So we will do like this. So whenever you are referring to a cell address which is present in another sheet, we have to use sheet name followed by exclamation followed by cell address. That is, if you want to refer to cell address C2 in sheet 1, we have to use like this, sheet 1 exclamation then cell address. So to do the calculation in the total sales sheet, we will do like this, equals sheet 1 exclamation C2 plus sheet 2 exclamation C2 plus sheet 3 exclamation C2. Sheet 1 exclamation C2 plus sheet 2 exclamation C2 plus sheet 3 C2. So we will use the fill series. The cell reference will change as usual when we do in a regular fill series. So it is referring to sheet 1 cell C4 and here it is referring to sheet 1 cell address C5. So that is how this sheet reference will work. We will see one more method of doing sheet reference when we have consecutive sheets. That means when the sheets are together in an order. We will see how to do that and how we can use it in formula. Say in this we were using sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Okay, here I will be using just like how we are using cell range. In the same way I will use a function sum and I will use this cell range, that is sheet range. Instead of cell range I am using sheet range, that is first sheet colon, then I will use the last sheet, that is sheet 3. Then in all the sheets I am referring to the same cell address. So then I will give it as C2. This is one more method how you can work with sheet reference. That means when we are having consecutive sheets, and this helps when we are having more number of sheets. Say for example, if you want to find the total for all the months, say for the 12 months you are having 12 sheets and you are trying to find the total in final summary sheet, then you can use this method. So in this session we learned how to make use of sheet reference, how to refer to a cell address which is present in another sheet, and the sheet and the reference will be followed by sheet name followed by exclamation and then cell address. So if there are consecutive sheets, we can make use of sum function, and how we use the range, cell range, in the same way we can also use sheet range. Finally, one more thing that you should remember, whenever there is a space within the sheet name, that means whenever a sheet name comprises of spaces, so you have to use it within single quote when you use in a formula.